Now, it's no surprise that there's a steady decline in the quality of mass-produced clothing, as well as many containing hazardous materials that can be harmful to our health. But unfortunately, it doesn't stop there. Questionable and hazardous ingredients are now also found in, simple food items and grooming products on the shelves today. It's sort of become very fast fashion like by using cheap quality ingredients, fillers, and just chemicals I can't even pronounce. And I'll admit, I didn't become conscious of using safer grooming products until recently when I made the switch from using an aluminum deodorant. And, just like any dude shopping in a drugstore, I usually just judge a grooming product based on the smell rather than reading the ingredient list. And I'll spare you guys the science report and suggest you download the Yuka app and scan whatever grooming products you have lying around. If you are unfamiliar with Yuka, it's an app that deciphers product labels and analyzes the health impact of that specific product. Pretty cool. We're also going to be scanning everything from my new favorite personal care brand, HygieneLab. Now, if you don't know about HygieneLab, they are an alternative personal care brand that focuses on clean, non-toxic, and eco-conscious products designed for men. And unlike many mainstream brands that may include synthetic chemicals or harsh ingredients, HygieneLab prioritizes natural, safe formulations. They were kind enough to provide me with their full line of products as well as their travel-sized bottles. I don't know about you guys, but I love a clean, minimal product display in the bathroom where all the products are the same color. I don't know, it just looks more aesthetically pleasing. But anyways, let's just go over each of the products. Face wash. Now, if you have sensitive or dry skin like I do, their gentle face wash is worth trying out. It's free from harsh chemicals and fragrances, and it's formulated to clean without, stripping the skin's natural oils. It also doesn't lather like a foam like most cleansers on the market do. And I find the foamy cleansers to be the most drying and irritating for me. It's funny, I thought I had all the products laid out, but it's still in my bathroom. Hold on. Okay, I had to run to my bathroom real quick to pick it up. So here it is, the face wash. We also need to scan it, so here we go. I'm gonna do it right now. I don't know if you guys can see that. 100 out of 100, excellent. The face moisturizer. This is an unscented, non-toxic moisturizer designed to hydrate the skin without clogging pores. It's perfect for daily use, specifically for men with sensitive or dry skin. You really don't need to use much because it actually absorbs into your skin rather than just, sitting there and just creating a greasy shine. But I do hope they come out with an SPF that absorbs just as well as their moisturizer without leaving a white tint. Now, their shampoo, it has a nice, soothing lavender scent. It's sulfate-free and gentle enough to be used on all hair types, even if your hair is treated. I notice it does a good job at getting rid of buildup without over drying my scalp, especially, coming from someone who's always using styling products like pomade. And of course, you need a moisturizing conditioner that complements the shampoo. This one does the job for my very coarse hair. Before, I was using the Aussie stuff, like I have right here, this Aussie stuff, but this one is much more moisturizing with like the very little amount I use, and it helps with the frizz and shine after it dries. Very good stuff here. The body wash, also made from non-toxic plant-based ingredients, that has a subtle woody and lavender scent, a refined gentleman's scent, I would say, not a cheap and synthetic scent that you get from Old Spice or Axe. It's gentle, soothing, and hydrating with a sophisticated scent that cleanses without masking your body with a synthetic, with that synthetic smell as if it were clean. The deodorant. Now, if you haven't made the switch to a natural deodorant, I suggest you try this one. This one has a very nice earthy freshness scent that lasts all day. Provides good odor protection without clogging, any pores or giving you any rashes. Not to mention it's free of aluminum and other toxic ingredients found in mainstream deodorants. Good stuff here. Last but not least, the styling gel. Honestly, I thought I wasn't gonna like this because when I hear the word gel, I think of the stuff that I used back in the day where my hair would get all crunchy and develop dandruff throughout the day. But this performs more like a pomade. I have it on right now, and it has a very strong hold and a matte finish. And if I were to restyle it, the product doesn't break into white flakes like a traditional hair gel does. Think of something like LA Look, something like that. You know, if you guys know about it, let me know in the comments. But yeah, this washes out easier than any pomade I own so far. And those are all the current products from the Hygiene Lab line. Notice how they offer only the essentials and not a whole mess of products for men and women like conventional brands do. These guys are doing things differently by offering men a range of personal care solutions that are effective as they are safe. They are EWG verified and have many other seals of approval. I can't remember them, but I really like what this company is doing and I feel good sharing it with you guys. So if you guys are interested, I'll make sure to leave the link down below. Big ups to Hygiene Lab for letting me try out their products. I'm loving it so far, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.